Everybody wants to become a millionaire, including you, me, and everyone else. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to learn how to achieve that goal. So, I highly encourage you to stick around until the end for this valuable information. This is how I'd make my first million in 2025, a step-by-step guide. Just show some love for Luxo-Life, and let's get started. Step 1. I will find my value zone. Value zone means finding that sweet spot where your passions, skills, and market demand overlap. It's like discovering a unique intersection that can lead you to success. By understanding what you enjoy doing, what you excel at, and what others are willing to pay for, you can carve out a niche for yourself that is both fulfilling and profitable. This process helps you identify opportunities that align with your strengths and interests. To begin this journey, I will create a Venn diagram. In one circle, I'll list things I genuinely enjoy doing, whether it's writing, designing, or helping others. In another circle, I'll note the skills I possess, like problem solving or communication. Finally, in the third circle, I'll write down services or products that people are willing to pay for. This visual representation will allow me to see where these areas overlap, helping me pinpoint my value zone. Once I've mapped out my value zone, I can focus my efforts on activities that fall within that intersection. This will not only make my work more enjoyable, but also increase my chances of financial success. When I engage in something I'm passionate about and skilled in, it's easier to stay motivated and dedicated. Plus, when I solve real problems for people, I increase my perceived value in the marketplace, leading to better opportunities. Step 2. I will focus my resources. After finding my value zone, I will focus my resources. Basically, this means I will concentrate my money, time, and energy on activities that help me build wealth. Instead of trying to juggle multiple projects at once, I will dedicate my efforts to a few key areas that have the most potential for growth. This focused approach will help me make the best use of my resources and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Many people think that having multiple income streams is the best way to achieve financial success. While diversifying can be beneficial, spreading myself too thin can actually slow my progress. When I try to do too many things at once, I risk diluting my efforts and not giving enough attention to any one project. Instead, I will choose a few high-impact activities and put my energy into those, ensuring that I can fully commit and see real results. By focusing my resources, I can track my progress more easily and adjust my strategy as needed. This clarity will allow me to see what works and what doesn't, helping me refine my efforts over time. When I concentrate on fewer projects, I can also dedicate more time to learning and improving my skills, which is crucial for long-term success. Each small win can motivate me to keep pushing forward. Step 3. I will choose the right business model. In my third step, I will choose the right business model to help me reach my financial goals. I believe that starting a service-based business is a solid option for generating income. This type of business allows me to connect directly with customers, which can lead to building strong relationships and a loyal client base. Additionally, service-based businesses often provide immediate cash flow, meaning I can start earning money relatively quickly. By offering a service, I can leverage my skills and expertise to meet the needs of my clients. This direct engagement not only helps me understand what my customers want, but also allows me to provide a tailored experience. The more I can satisfy their needs, the more likely they are to return and recommend my services to others. This word-of-mouth marketing can be a powerful tool in growing my business and increasing my income. While focusing on a service-based business, I will also explore passive investment opportunities. These investments can help my money work for me over time, contributing to my overall wealth without requiring constant effort. Options like real estate, stocks, or mutual funds can provide additional income streams that complement my active business. This balanced approach ensures that I am not solely reliant on one source of income. Step 4. I will overcome obstacles. I know that becoming a millionaire isn't easy. It will come to a point that I will face challenges and obstacles along the way. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected difficulties can arise when I least expect them. Instead of allowing these challenges to deter me, I will acknowledge them and find ways to navigate through them. Recognizing that obstacles are a normal part of the journey will help me maintain a positive mindset. When I encounter setbacks, I won't let them become excuses for not pursuing my goals. Instead, I will use them as learning experiences. Each obstacle presents an opportunity to grow and improve my strategies. By staying committed to my goals, I can push through tough times and remain focused on what I want to achieve. It's important for me to remind myself that perseverance is key to reaching my financial aspirations. I also understand that flexibility is crucial when it comes to overcoming obstacles. Plans may need to change, and I must be willing to adapt as necessary. This might mean adjusting my approach or seeking new solutions when something isn't working as planned. By staying open to change, I can find alternative paths to success and continue moving forward, even when the road gets bumpy. Step 5. I will eliminate distractions. Aside from obstacles, there are also distractions that can derail my progress toward becoming a millionaire. These distractions can come in many forms, whether it's social media, excessive TV watching, or even negative people around me. To stay focused on my goals, I will take the time to identify what distracts me the most. By recognizing these elements in my environment, I can take steps to minimize their impact on my productivity. Once I know what my distractions are, I will work on removing or reducing them. This might mean setting specific times to check social media or finding a quiet space to work without interruptions. I will also communicate with friends and family about my goals so they can support me and understand when I need to focus. By creating a more conducive environment, I will set myself up for success and be better able to channel my energy into activities that matter. In addition to eliminating distractions, I will allocate my resources efficiently to my side hustles. This means being intentional with my time, money, and energy. I will prioritize activities that directly contribute to my $1 million goal and eliminate those that don't add value. By focusing on what truly drives my success, I can make the most of the resources I have and avoid wasting effort on unproductive tasks. Step 6. I will commit to continuous learning. Myself is all I have, and knowledge is power. That's why I will commit to continuous learning as a key part of my journey toward becoming a millionaire. Investing in my education and personal development will help me stay competitive and relevant in an ever-changing world. The more I learn, the better equipped I'll be to seize opportunities and tackle challenges that come my way. To achieve this, I will actively seek out resources that can enhance my skills and knowledge. This could involve taking online courses, attending workshops, or reading books related to my field and personal interests. By expanding my understanding, I can bridge the performance gap between where I am now and where I want to be. It's essential for me to stay updated on industry trends, as this will help me anticipate changes and adjust my strategies accordingly. Additionally, I will embrace a mindset of lifelong learning. This means being open to feedback and learning from my experiences, both successes and failures. I'll strive to surround myself with people who inspire and challenge me, as they can offer valuable insights and perspectives. By fostering a learning environment, can continually grow and adapt, ensuring that I am always moving closer to my goals. Step 7. I will make sacrifices. There can be no progress, no achievement without sacrifice. I understand that if I want to become a millionaire, I need to be prepared to make some tough choices in my daily life. This might mean cutting back on leisure activities that I enjoy, like binge watching my favorite shows or spending excessive time scrolling through social media. While these activities can be fun and relaxing, I realize that they can also take away valuable time and energy that I could invest in my goals. Making sacrifices doesn't mean that I have to give up everything I enjoy. It's about finding a balance and prioritizing my time effectively. I will evaluate my current commitments and see where I can cut back without feeling deprived. For example, I might limit my weekend outings or choose to spend more evenings working on my side hustle instead of socializing. By making these adjustments, I can redirect my focus toward activities that contribute to my dream of financial success. Investing more time in my business is another important aspect of making sacrifices. I know that the early stages of building something new can be demanding, and it may require extra hours and effort. This dedication will pay off in the long run, but it means I'll have to forgo some short-term pleasures. Whether it's working late or spending weekends developing my skills, these sacrifices will help me build a solid foundation for my future. Step 8. I will measure progress. Lastly, I will make it a priority to measure my progress regularly. Tracking my efforts is essential for understanding how well I am moving toward my goals. By keeping an eye on the money, time, and energy I spend on each activity, I can see where I'm making gains and where I might need to improve. This way, I'll have a clearer picture of what's working and what isn't, allowing me to make informed decisions about my strategy. To effectively measure my progress, I will set specific goals and milestones for myself, whether it's reaching a certain income level, completing a project, or dedicating a specific number of hours each week to my side hustle. Having clear targets will help me stay focused. I'll keep a journal or use apps to track my activities, making it easier to reflect on my achievements and areas that need adjustment. This accountability will motivate me to stay committed to my plan. When I notice that something isn't working as well as I hoped, I will be ready to adjust my strategy. Flexibility is crucial on this journey, and being able to pivot when necessary will keep me moving forward. If a particular activity isn't yielding results, I'll consider reallocating my resources to something that has a better chance of success. This proactive approach will ensure that I am making the most of my efforts and maximizing my returns. Measuring progress isn't just about numbers, it's also about maintaining a positive mindset. By regularly evaluating my efforts, I can celebrate small wins along the ways, which can keep my motivation high. Understanding that progress is a journey and not just a destination will help me stay committed to my goals. With each evaluation, I'll gain insights that will guide me toward becoming a millionaire, making my efforts feel worthwhile. And that's how I'd make my first million in 2025. If you have any additional ideas or plans for how you'd achieve your financial goals in 2025, I'd love to hear them in the comments section below. I would also appreciate it if you could give this video a like and share it with others. If you're new to Luxo-Life, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest content. See you next time, Luxo lovers.